Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you what the page looks like once you've logged into IXL. There's two things that I want to show you. The first is when you are in our online learning. I know my page will look a little different than yours. I'm going to use Brooke as an example. So let's say Brooke is working on her online learning for Monday and she's to complete a language arts assignment. Brooke is in level D. So Brooke would be completing a level D language arts activity. So Brooke would click on the subject area language arts, and then she would click on the level that I assigned for her, which is level D. And now she's in level D language arts, and her assignment is Reading Foundation A.1. So she's in Reading Foundations, level D, A.1. So she would click on that and the activity will launch. If you need the example read to you, you would click the speaker, and when you are ready to submit your answer, you just click submit. One thing I want you to pay attention to is the time lapse right here. I only want you to work on language arts for about 15 minutes or so, but you're more than welcome to work on it for longer. If after the 15 minutes you wanted to work on something else in IXL, this is the second thing I will show you. You're going to go back to your Learning tab at the top, and then in the Recommendations tab, you'll see a star. Now, each student's number of skills is going to be different, but if you wanted to still work on something in IXL that's different than what I assigned, you would just click on the skills suggested by your teacher, and then you can scroll through and pick any of the activities that I have chosen for you to work on your own time. So that's how to access IXL for the online learning, as well as any IXL that you would like to complete on your own time.